The mystery inside red Bombay onions, from green white onions to superfood. Have you ever peeled a beautiful red onion and found something strange inside? A sudden green color appears, or even a baby onion hiding inside. Have you ever experienced this? With the help of a microscope, we can see the clearest details of the shape of the red Bombay onion flesh. In the previous video, we discussed why it's called Bombay onion, so friends can watch it so you are not curious. Look, the cell network in the onion flesh is neatly arranged in a round but angular shape. If you look closely, there are white, cream, and green colors in the cell tissue of the onion flesh. Look at this cell network. It looks very shiny and almost oily. That's a sign around here. The onion is very healthy. If this one is orange red, it is probably because this onion was pressed too heavily against other onions in the sack, so that the red outer skin stuck too much to the onion flesh. So this red-orange color is not because it is rotten, and this is normal. This onion is still healthy and safe to consume. Today, we don't just cook. We will become food detectives who uncover all the hidden secrets of this red one. From the strange things you see, to the miraculous benefits they offer our bodies. Ready to be surprised? Let's begin our journey. The first layer, the beautiful deep red skin. We peel it off, and we find the next layer, and another, until finally, well, here's the gist. The flesh of the onion is pure white with beautiful stripes. This is normal, guys. Why is there green? This is actually the brave sprout. Yes, it's an onion sprout trying to grow. This onion is actually a pregnant mother. Under the right conditions, such as exposure to light or warm temperatures, this mother decides to give birth to a new life. The green color is chlorophyll, a sign that life wants to continue to thrive. It's not poison, but a fascinating natural signal. The children phenomenon, or the little one inside. And sometimes, these natural wonders go even further. You can find this. This is what's called the doubling phenomenon. Imagine, inside the mother, there's a fully formed child. It's like a bonus surprise from nature. It can happen due to genetic or environmental factors. So, you get two onions in one. Unique, right? Now, the most important question. Is it safe to eat? Safe. With conditions. The answer is yes, it's still safe. The green shoots and the baby onions are not poisonous. But we have to be careful detectives. Check its physical condition first. First, hold it and press it. If the texture is still firm and solid, it's still good. Second, smell it. If it still smells fresh and oniony, without any sour or rotten odors, it's fine. However, if it's soft, slimy, or moldy, well, it's time to part with it. As for the green shoots, they can be more bitter and have a tough texture. If you prefer, you can trim and discard the green part. However, the white, firm flesh surrounding the onion is still delicious and safe to cook with. Now we get to the coolest part. What makes this red onion so special? It turns out it's a superhero in disguise in our kitchens. It's rich in vitamin C to strengthen our immune system. It contains fiber to aid digestion. It also contains important minerals like potassium to maintain heart health. But its most powerful weapons are twofold. First, quercetin, a super antioxidant that is incredibly powerful against free radicals. Second, anthocyanins, the red/purple pigments that are also powerful antioxidants. Think of them as special forces ready to fight for our health. So, what are its amazing benefits for the body? These include a healthier heart, blood sugar control, a shield for the immune system, improved digestion, a cancer-fighting agent, and bone strengthening. She is proof that amazing things are often hidden in the most ordinary places. Beneath her simple skin lies new life and superpowers for our bodies. So, what's your next kitchen secret you'd like us to reveal? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next exciting adventure.